2024 Toyota Estima, a minivan that's anything but ordinary. It's sleek, smart, and surprisingly fun to drive. But in a world now obsessed with SUVs, is there still room for the humble people mover? Stick around, because this might just be the family car you didn't know you needed. First things first, let's talk looks. The 2024 Estima ditches the boxy minivan stereotype for something far more stylish. Toyota's designers have gone for a more aerodynamic silhouette, with a low-slung front end, sharp LED headlights, and a bold grille that gives off subtle Alfred vibes. The side profile is clean and sculpted, with sliding doors that blend seamlessly into the bodywork. And out back, the wraparound taillights add a premium touch. It's more elegant than flashy, and that's exactly the point. Step inside, and the Estima feels more like a business-class lounge than a family hauler. Depending on the trim, you'll find soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and even captain's chairs in the second row with Ottoman-style leg rests. Yes, that's right, leg rests in a minivan. The dashboard is dominated by a floating 12.3-inch touchscreen with Toyota's latest infotainment system, now faster and more intuitive than ever. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and there's even a digital rearview mirror in higher trims. And for families, there's no shortage of cup holders, USB-C ports, and clever storage compartments. It's practical, yes, but also genuinely comfortable. Under the hood, the 2024 Estima comes with two powertrain options. The base model features a 2.5-liter hybrid engine, the same one you'll find in the RAV4, producing around 215 horsepower. It's smooth, quiet, and more than capable for city and highway cruising. But if you want a bit more punch, there's a 2.4-liter turbocharged option with close to 275 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic, it offers solid acceleration even when fully loaded. And despite its size, the Estima handles well, with a low center of gravity and tuned suspension that soaks up road imperfections like a champ. Minivans aren't usually known for sipping fuel, but the hybrid Estima changes that. It delivers an impressive 17 to 18 km/h, which is roughly 40 to 42 mpg. That makes it one of the most fuel-efficient family movers in its class. Even the turbo variant manages decent numbers, thanks to Toyota's efficient engine tech and clever aerodynamics. Toyota offers the 2024 Estima in three main trims: G, X Premium, and the top-tier Royal Lounge. The G trim is well equipped, with LED lighting, a power tailgate, and all the essential safety features. The X Premium steps things up with leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, and rear seat entertainment. But the Royal Lounge, that's pure luxury. Think executive seating, massaging chairs, and a separate climate zone for the second row. Prices start around $38,000 USD equivalent for the base model, while the fully loaded Royal Lounge can creep up to $55,000 or more, depending on the market. So, is the 2024 Toyota Estima worth considering? Absolutely. It blends the practicality of a minivan with the refinement of a luxury sedan, all while being fuel-efficient and family-friendly. Sure, SUVs might dominate the headlines, but if you want space, comfort, and long-haul versatility, the Estima delivers in every category. It's not just a people mover, it's a people pleaser. Thinking about making the Estima your next family car? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth car reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching.